All right, this is problems number 3 and 4 from the worksheet number 3. The directions state here, for each, write the exponential equation that models the situation. Then solve for the missing information. A calculator is permitted. So number 3 says, each year the local country club sponsors a tennis tournament. Play starts with 128 participants. During each round, half of the players are eliminated. How many players remain after 5 rounds? So since we're losing half the players after each round here, we can say that this is exponential decay here. So we're going to be looking for a function in the form of y is equal to a times b to the power of x. Remember, our a is our starting value, and in this case here, it says that we're going to start with 128 participants. So we're going to put in that 128 for our A. And if half the players are eliminated every round, that means we're going to be multiplying this times a half each round. So our equation should look like y equals 128 times 1/2 to the power of x. And remember, x is going to represent the number of rounds, and y is going to represent how many players there are still. Let's take this now, and we'll just take it and plug in. Y equals 128 times 1/2 to the 5th power. And you can take it and you can do that on the calculator there. When we do it, we get 128 times 1/2 to the 5th. When I do it on my handy dandy calculator off screen here, we should get 128 times 1/2 to the 5th equals 4. So that means there would be 4 players left after 5 rounds. All right, looking at 4. So a car depreciates or decreases at a rate of 12% each year. If the initial value of the car was $23,500, okay, find the value of the car after 18 months. Give your answer to the nearest cent. So it says that we're losing 12% each year. And if you think about it, right, if your car is 100% at the start and you're losing 12% each year, that means your car is going to keep 88% of its value. And when we're doing these kinds of problems here, we're going to have to use that as our multiplier. So in decimal form, that would be 0.88. That will be our B value. It says the car started with an initial value of $23,500, so that is going to be our initial value there. So A is going to be $23,500. When we put that together, we've got Y is equal to $23,500 times 0.88 to the power of X. And remember, X right now is going to represent our time in years. And Y is going to equal our value. So when we're asked to find 18 months, right, 18 months is the equivalent of a year and a half. So what we want to do is put in 1.5 for our value of X. And then again, you can use your calculator to get that value here. I'm going to do it off screen again. And I get there 19,000 $399.56. That's how much our car would be worth after 18 months or a year and a half. So that is the answer that we're looking for number 4. And if you have questions about these still, make sure you bring them to class. Thanks for watching.